King for a smart way to invest in real estate without buying any property? What if you could earn steady income, enjoy strong long-term returns, and diversify your portfolio, all without being a landlord? Welcome to the world of REITs, real estate investment trusts, one of the best-kept secrets of successful investors. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to boost your existing strategy, the Intelligent REIT Investor is your ultimate guide. This book breaks down everything you need to know using simple language and real-life examples. No finance degree required. From understanding how REITs work to spotting the best opportunities in the market, this guide will give you the confidence to invest smarter and grow your wealth the smart way. The go-to guide for smart REIT investing. The Intelligent REIT Investor is a must-have guide for anyone interested in real estate investment trusts, REITs. It offers clear, easy-to-follow information for individual investors, financial advisors, and anyone who values steady income and careful risk management as part of their financial plan. A major change in the REIT world happened when Standard & Poor's created a new category called real estate in their global industry classification system, GICS. Before this, REITs were grouped under financials since they started in 1960. Now, they are treated as their own separate category in the stock market. This change has drawn in many new investors, but REITs can be tricky to understand without special knowledge. Until now, this book uses simple language and real-world examples to explain how REITs work. It helps readers quickly learn the terms and methods used to value REITs and find good investment opportunities. It covers key terms, how to read REIT data, and how to do basic calculations, all in a clear and straightforward way. A full list of REITs traded on the stock market is also included, a helpful tool that many investors and brokers don't have. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are companies that own or invest in commercial properties, like shopping centers and apartment buildings. Although REITs have often earned higher returns than other investments, like the Nasdaq or the S&P 500, many people don't understand them and are hesitant to invest. This book helps you get familiar with the basics so you can invest with more confidence and hopefully make better profits. Here's what you'll learn: how REITs work and how the industry operates, how to calculate important numbers to choose the best REITs, where to find performance data and useful industry terms, how to find publicly traded REITs quickly and easily. REITs have often done better than other well-known investments. For example, over the last 15 years, REITs earned an average return of 11% per year, more than any other major investment type. Since 2009, they've had positive returns every year. Even in 2015, a tough year for most investments, REITs still gained 2.4%. Beating most others. With over 50 years of proven results, REITs are now a key part of the investment world. If you feel like you've missed out, now is the time to catch up. This book will help you understand how to invest in REITs and manage your risk wisely. By including real estate in your portfolio, you may enjoy more peace of mind and stronger returns. The Intelligent REIT Investor gives you the tools to invest smarter and sleep better at night. Click on the link and buy the book now. Insert purchase link here. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs? And which do you prefer, real estate or stocks? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The Smart Real Estate Investor. Invest smart with less stress.